Welcome to the final introductory part of HTML from complete beginner to expert. In this video, we're briefly going to touch on a few other things that you might want to consider installing and setting up. In this video, we won't be doing any of that. We won't be installing or setting up. I've checked YouTube. I did a quick search and I found that there are a lot of videos on this topic and on how to set up Git with GitHub or setting up Git with BitBucket. It's something you might want to consider, like I said, because in the future you will be asked, if you're planning to pursue a web development career, you will be asked to use Git and GitHub or BitBucket. I found this video by Web Dev Simplified. He does a great explanation, a great short video. I think it takes like 2 minutes to set these up and start rolling. So go ahead and get that set up, and in the next video we'll actually start and go over some of the history of how HTML came to be, and we'll start going into some of the more technical parts of HTML. I'll see you in the next one.